पाकिस्तान बनकर।
All right, welcome back. You're watching News X. My name is Vineet. Some breaking news trickling in. A massive fire in a building near Hyderabad's iconic Charminar has claimed the lives of at least 17 people. While the exact cause is yet to be cleared and ascertained, it is believed that a short circuit led to the fire. A total of 11 fire engines were dispatched to the spot to bring the blaze under control. Prime Minister Modi has stated that he is deeply anguished by the loss of lives in the fire at a building at Hyderabad's Gulzar House. The PM also announced that an ex gratia of rupees 2 lakh from the Prime Minister National Relief Fund will be given to the next of kin of each deceased. Additionally, the injured would be given rupees 50,000. On that note, listen into what Telangana Disaster Response and Fire Services DG Vai Nagi Reddy had to say.
So there is a fire incident in Krishna Pearl's shop and then residential complex in Gulzar House area. So around 6:16, fire department got a fire call from this local residents, and at 6:17, fire department have dispatched the fire engines. Subsequently, 11 fire engines were dispatched along with sufficient staff. So when they came, there was smoke and fire in the ground floor. Our people tried to extinguish the fire along with rescuing the people. So the fire department has used breathing apparatus and oxygen masks to rescue the people. And then 11 people were taken out of the first floor and they were shifted to the hospital. 4 people were rescued from the top floor. So as per the information we got as of now, most of the people could not survive, those people who shifted to the hospital.
My colleague Raj Kiran is at ground zero. Take a look at this report that he has filed.
At present, I'm standing in front of the incident where early morning, 6 o'clock, around 6 o'clock, a massive fire accident broke out at Hyderabad Old City Charminar Gulzar House. This is the building where accident took place. In first floor, 17, around 21 people were staying in that building. On the first floor and second floor, including first and second floor, 22 people were staying there, and 2 families were staying there. One family is from Bihar and the another family is from Gujarat. From the sources, we have the information that more than 16 people have died in this incident. When we spoke to the officials, they said that till now we have the information of only 12 people, but from the sources we have the information that around 17 people were killed in this massive fire which took place in the early morning around 6 o'clock. When we spoke to the eyewitnesses in the morning who have rescued from here, when we spoke to them, they said that around 6 o'clock when they are coming from the namaz, they have 2 females came out of this house and they have called her, and they said that around 17 people were struck inside this building. This is a 2-floor building in which 17 people were struck, and they have been rescued by the locals here. Around 5 people has been rescued from 5 people who went to namaz in the morning. 6 o'clock has been rescued. These 15 people later, the fire brigade department, police department, and the other officials have come down here and they have dosed the fire. The flame was very high in the morning, and we have the information that due to the shock circuit, this incident has been took place around morning 6 o'clock. So till now we have information that from sources around 17 people have been killed in this incident, and more 3 are undergoing treatment in a private hospital nearby. With camera person Raj Kiran, News X, Hyderabad. आज सुबह में जो भीषण आग लगी है हैदराबाद के पुराने शहर चारमीनार के पास, अभी हम स्पॉट पे हैं। यहाँ पर हमारे साथ कुछ लोग जुड़े हुए हैं जो यहाँ की हालात सुबह में 6 बजे के दरमियान जो भीषण आग लगी है उसको वहाँ से लोगों को जो 17 लोग ऊपर फंसे हुए थे उनको निकाला गया था। तो यही जो व्यक्ति है, भाई आपका नाम बताइए।
मीर जाहिद।
भाई क्या हुआ था सुबह में, आप क्यों इस तरफ से, क्योंकि सुबह के 6 बजे के समय था, आप जा रहे थे?
जी, हम लोग नमाज पढ़ के, मेरा दोस्त और मिलके जैसे हम लोग जा रहे थे चाय वाय पी के, तो 2 लेडी यहाँ पर ठहरा हुआ था। वो लोग चीख रहा था कि हमारे घर में आँच लग गया, बेबी लोग अंदर। हम लोग पूछे मैडम रास्ता किधर है जाने का, वो लोग बतलाया कि ये रास्ता है। वहाँ से आँच बहुत काफ़ी बोला, और वो शटर पे से जाओ भैया बोल के बोले उन लोग। तो हम लोग शटर के लॉक तोड़ के करके हम लोग 5 जने और भी दोस्तों के हाथ चल गए, मेरा भी स्किन चल गया। ये हम लोग क्या करें, तोड़ के घुस गए अंदर, मगर आँच बहुत रहने की तरफ से हम लोग एक हाफ एन आवर वेट करे, मगर हुकूमत पूरा आ गया था, पानी वानी सब आ गया था, उन लोग का भी काम अच्छा था। बस हम लोग को बचा नहीं सके। एक रूम हम लोग तोड़ के अंदर घुसे तो 7 लोग, चार बच्चे, बेबी है 4, बाकी का बड़े एक दूसरे को लपट के पूरे है सो डेट हो गया था।
अच्छा, आप कितने लोगों को यहाँ से रेस्क्यू किए, कितने लोग अंदर थे जब वो
7 लोगों को वो रूम में से निकाला, 7 लोग को निकाला, और सेकेंड फ्लोर पे से भी 6 जनों को निकाला हम लोग।
अच्छा, पूरे कितने लोग हैं उसके अंदर?
13 जनों को निकाले, मगर नीचे से और 2-3 लोग कुछ से गए थे जो बचाने के लिए गए, जो फैमिली मेंबर कुछ है उन लोग भी डेट हो गया, हम लोग सुना हम लोग।
ये देखा गया तो ये जो यहाँ पर स्पॉट पे जो थे सुबह में 6 बजे उनको निकाला गया था। उन लोगों का वर्जन है कि 7 लोग जो फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे फंसे हुए हैं उनको निकाला गया था, फिर बाद में 5 लोग जो 5th फ्लोर में फंसे हुए थे उन लोगों को भी निकाला गया था। सुबह में फायर ब्रिगेड वगैरह पूरी तरह से यहाँ पर सरकार की तरफ से पूरी तरह से तैनात की गई है। बाद में 17 लोगों की इसमें बताया जा रहा है कि आधिकारिक तौर पर तो अभी तक नहीं आया है, आधिकारिक तौर पर तो 12 लोगों को बताया जा रहा है, मगर पूरी तरह से जब सोर्सेस से हमने बात की है उन्होंने बताया कि 17 लोगों की मौत हुई है। कैमरामैन के साथ राज किरण, हैदराबाद से।
All right.